Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify QuickBooks Online automation with AI categorization, full guide step by step clearly. To verify QuickBooks Online automation with AI categorization, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the banking section from the left-hand menu. Select the appropriate bank or credit card account that you want to review. Once the transactions are displayed, look for the For Review tab. Here, you will find transactions that the AI has categorized. Each transaction will show its suggested category next to it. To verify a suggestion, click on a transaction to view its details. Check the transaction amount, date, and description for accuracy. If the suggested category aligns with your expectations, click Confirm. If you spot an error or a suggestion that doesn't fit, click Edit. In the Edit screen, you can manually select the correct category. Ensure that any changes you make are consistent with your accounting practices. After selecting the appropriate category, click Confirm to save your changes. Continue reviewing each transaction listed under the For Review tab. Once you have verified all transactions, navigate to the Review tab. This tab contains all transactions you have confirmed, ensuring no duplicates. Regularly monitor this section to catch any new transactions that need categorization. Consider setting a routine to verify these transactions at a consistent interval. Utilizing AI for categorization helps streamline your bookkeeping, but manual checks ensure accuracy. Take advantage of QuickBooks reporting features to analyze categorized transactions over time. Stay updated with any enhancements to QuickBooks Online that improve AI categorization accuracy. Familiarize yourself with best practices for using AI in financial management. Document any changes or learning experiences during the verification process for future reference. This will aid in refining your approach and improving efficiency in the long run. Conclude by ensuring all categories are accurate before moving on to financial reporting. This process will enhance your understanding of your business's financial health. Regular audits of your automation settings can further improve accuracy and efficiency. Implementing these steps will keep your bookkeeping organized and up to date. With consistency, you'll master the verification of QuickBooks Online automation using AI categorization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.